Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we're going to talk about SoundMap error, sorry something went wrong. The error reads, sorry something went wrong, please try again later. As per the research, the error comes when users try to access songs, open drops or claim quests. Instead of completing the action, the app shows this error message. According to our research, the error may be caused by app glitches, VPN interference or network-related issues. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your phone and then try using the app again. If the error still comes, check if you have a VPN enabled. If yes, turn it off and then open SoundMap again. Then, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if there is any update available for the app. If yes, install the update and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling SoundMap. Once reinstalled, launch the app and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, then report the issue to SoundMap support and check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.